is Tehran's Milad Tower, and tonight, like every other night, it's packed with people from all around the city who have come to take a break from their busy life and enjoy some good quality time with their family and friends. Everyone can find something to do and enjoy here, especially the kids who have finally found something to do besides watching TV and playing with their gadgets and gizmos. The crowd had so much to cheer for tonight as performers took the stage one by one. There was local music, there was local dance, but I got to see one of Iran's traditional sports too. This sport has been in Iran for 1,000 years and is all about power, balance, spirituality and morality. These guys here are called Pahlevan, and they exercise in a place called Zulkhane, meaning the house of strength. But what I enjoyed the most was the local dancers who had come all the way from the North Khorasan province to show off their incredible dance moves. This performance narrated their nomadic life, struggles, and most of all, their unity and love for each other. You can also indulge in the fruity and mouth-watering snacks that tempt you to buy and try them every step of the way. But that's not all, because when you're in Darban, you can also treat yourself with a variety of grilled foods like liver, fish and chicken wings. The people of Tehran are in love with food, and when it comes to traditional meals, they really can't resist. What better way to spend the night with family and friends, splurging on good quality food and enjoying the tranquility of nature. And as midnight approaches, it's time to say good night. Well, not quite. Tehran's still wide awake with people who are enjoying every single moment, and they don't intend to stop right now. Not by the looks of it anyway.